What's up, everybody? Dante here. Now, I added something to the whole YouTube production, video production, all kinds of stuff production, right? So I invested in a C-stand. Now, if you haven't seen one of these things, these are like some, what can I call them? Some souped up versions of like stands. Like, they're very heavy, they're very sturdy, like they'll last you for years if you don't, put it in some moisture and get it rust and get rotted and stuff like that. But other than that, these things are just like built like tanks. So I invested in one because what I wanted to do is like I want to kind of like do overhead shots when I do like unboxings or maybe like a demonstration or something like on my iPad or something like that. Along those lines where you just have it right there and I have a camera facing right there, so you can kind of really see and get engaged in what I'm actually doing. Because if I'm just doing it like right here and it's like A-roll type of shot, you don't really see nothing here. I just gotta kind of like tell you what's going on. But if I have an overhead shot at the same time while I'm talking to y'all, I can kind of explain what's going on. So I invested in one of those. And if you look at the video right above this right now, it's just like I didn't know how heavy they were and how like husky these things were when I actually picked it up and put it together. Now, I didn't do no unboxing, nothing like that. I just kind of showing you what it looks like and how I'm going to be using it. Because I can also use it for microphones. Like my shotgun mic right here, I can probably get like an adapter, or basically I need an adapter to kind of equip it, just have it right there, sturdy. I ain't got to worry about it hobbling over and nothing like that. Because the one I got now is okay, but it can easily be knocked over. That C-stand ain't like that, so that's very heavy and sturdy. That ain't going to just get knocked over unless you just really run into it and just knock it down. But like this will help out with a lot of things down the line, when it comes to unboxings, tutorial videos, when it comes to something on my iPad or anything I have laid out here. You can kind of see it. I have 2 multicam shots going on, stuff like that. So this is a good way to get overhead shots, especially if you don't want to be on camera and you want to kind of do everything from overheads and stuff like that, or just like where you do more of a voiceover type of job and things like that. So you can kind of do these type of things with these C-stands. They're very versatile. You can add lights to them. Like you put an adapter for lights. So if you want a certain light overhead, like if you, like I said, doing something here and you want the light to be overhead light so you can get a real good clear shot of it, you can do that with these things. Like I said, they're just very, helpful when it comes to just, improving angles and certain things when it comes to photography, videography, all these things. So I invested in one, and right now I'm waiting for the adapter part for the camera mount so I can kind of do a camera overhead shot and just do all that, do the shots, things like that. So that's coming now, because I thought everything would be in the box, but I should have known better. It's never that simple when it comes to building a studio like layout for your photography or videography work, whatever you do. So it's never that easy. So I had to buy an adapter for the mount so I can put the camera on top so I can get the overhead shots, all those type of things. So hopefully this will help me get improving. If you have any other suggestions, hit them in the comment section, because I learn something new every day, and that's what I love about this platform, because I just love learning new things. No matter if I don't know, I don't mind learning it. Just give me the time to learn it. I'll take the time out. So that's why when I seen that, I invested in it, and I see how people use it, and I said this can help me out along the way. I got 2 cameras now. I said I want to do some overhead shots, some more multicam type things, and I just feel like if I'm unboxing something, I'm doing it like this, yeah, you see it, but when you have an overhead shot, it gets you really engaged to actually paying attention to what the product I'm talking about at that time. So stay tuned for more. Like I said, if any suggestions, anything else I should look into, hit me in the comment section. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the channel if you like the content I'm putting out there. Also, like I said, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoy. I will see you in the next one. Peace.